before and after. Now let's see how we get there.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolfridge Woodworking. I am so happy to see you today in my nicely air-conditioned garage slash shop. So a lot of you have asked how's it working out, and I gotta say it's working pretty good. But anyway, so on to today's project. So as you saw in the intro, I had a before and after. So I've got several pieces of acacia, and this came out of my neighbor's yard. He cut it down, I don't know, maybe last year or the year before. Anyway, it's pretty dry now. Pretty hard too, by the way. So what I did is I took the log. My bandsaw isn't big enough to cut through it. I guess I need a bigger bandsaw. But anyway, so what I did was I took a chainsaw and split the log down the middle and then put it on the bandsaw and made it round. It's about 6 inches round. And the way that it's going to work out is I may have a little bit of this natural edge on the side of it. I did on the other one. This is the mirror from that other one. So anyway, got it a hole in it. Gonna put it onto the worm screw in the chuck, and we're going to turn a bowl. So before we get started, I just wanted to say that just like the other piece, there is some checking and cracking. I don't know if you can pick that up, but there's a pretty significant crack here that's more than likely going to be part of the bowl. So on the other one, I simply filled it with some super glue and sawdust. So I imagine I'll have to do the same thing on this one. But we are going to just turn it and see what it is, and we'll go from there. that's going to wrap up today's project. The bowl turned out really nicely, I think. I love the little feature that it's got right here. It just incorporated it really nicely. I love this acacia. It's a really stunning wood with the sapwood and the really dark heartwood. And the cool thing is depending on the way that the log goes, you get a different design. I got more brown up on the edge on this one, where on the other one had more brown in the bottom. So it's a really cool. So with the acacia, you know, it's no two bowls that you turn or products that you turn are ever going to be the same. So that's going to wrap it up for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you are new to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, click down here. If you want to become a subscriber, please, I encourage you, click up here and click that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.